Jeff at Auto Sauce. We covered washing the outside of the wrapped car last time. This time we're going to move it inside. We're going to clean our leather seats. For that we're going to use our Nana's leather cleaner and our Nana's leather Marinade. We'll condition the seats after we're done. A couple of tools that we might be using, probably not. We're probably only going to use our interior brush, the large one, and maybe this toothbrush. The seats aren't that bad that we're going to need the upholstery scrub brush. So let's get to work. All right, so we're going to clean this seat here. It's not too bad. Actually, you can't really tell. It's a darker color, but we're going to use our Nana's leather cleaner, and we're just going to spray the seat down. Give it a nice good spray. Now we could stop there, but what we're going to do now is just give it a little scrub. So I'm going to spray the inside of my detailing brush and just go in circles and get all over the seat here. Try to get all the it's mostly just going to get like oils from your body off of this and clean the seat. Now that that's all sprayed down and scrubbed in, we'll grab a cinnamon spice microfiber and we'll just wipe the seat down. Make sure we're getting all the little cracks of the seat where some of that cleaner might be hiding. And you do want to get everything out of the seat, just because you don't want to sit down and get a wet butt. So make sure that you got it all out of all the cracks. I like to wipe the headrest down as well. As you can see, the seat's looking better already. Just has a nice, fresh, clean, smooth look to it. Doesn't look all greasy or anything. And now we're gonna just put a conditioner on it with our Nana's leather cleaner, or leather Marinade, I should say. I use the same towel. I would go clean all the seats and use the same one. That way it's a little bit wet, and it's just wet with the cleaner. I fold this in a couple little sections and spray, or take a little of the Marinade. This is a brand new bottle here. Get a nice little glob of it on there, mix it into the towel a little bit, and just wipe the seat. You're just moisturizing the leather, kind of like you would moisturize your skin, because that's pretty much what leather is. It is skin. You want to get this also into those little cracks as well, because those will tend to dry out. And as you can see, just that little dab I did on my microfiber at first was able to do the whole seat, which tells you that a little bit of this will go a long way. Do a couple of laps. And I'll even do the headrest.